art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Frigo Camello from Italian Brainrot. So we're going to get started with our eye, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle on the left hand side of our page. We're going to start from the top now, bringing this line around and through, creating a half circle. And then in the top left, we're just going to create a nice big circle again for the highlight. Now let's start with the mouth. So we're going to start with a bracket on the right. And then from the center, we're going to arch this around and then back in for the nostril on the top. We're going to curve this around and down as we come around that. Now, as we come above our eye, we're going to bring this further around and then back in. And then on the top left, just curving that up on a slight diagonal. Close this off on the bottom, arching this around and through. And then one more time to close off the bottom of the face, just continuing that as we come around and up on the side. Now let's draw in the ear, arching this around, back in on the bottom, and then in the center, curving that over. Now from here on the top, arching this around and through. We're going to start with the neck, so we're going to close off the back of the head, curving this out, bringing this in, and then back over. From here on the top, let's curve this around and down, and then starting on the bottom here, arching this around and in towards our chin. We're going to close this off on the side, bringing this down and over on the left. Now let's draw in the fridge. So we're going to start with a straight line coming up on the top left. We'll do the same as we move down on the bottom. Let's draw a diagonal line coming out from the top. And then we'll do the same again on the bottom, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, let's draw in a straight line coming directly across towards the side of our page. And then we'll do the same thing again on the top, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now let's close this off with a straight line on the right, bringing this all the way down towards the bottom. And then from this corner, we're going to replicate that, bringing another straight line that comes directly down. We're going to come over on the top, bringing this line across, and then from that point, we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal again. And then over on the inside, let's just draw in another straight line coming all the way down. In the middle, we're going to draw a straight line across, and then from that center line, bringing this diagonal line all the way over towards the neck. Let's draw in the fridge handles now. So we're going to draw in two straight lines on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to move down on the bottom and replicate that. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a slight curved line to close that off. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. Now beside this, we're going to draw in a curved line on the top and bottom. Now let's draw in the legs. So we're going to start with our right foot. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out. We're going to start from that corner, curving this around and then back in. And then we're going to curve this line over and through on the side. On the top now, let's arch this line up, down, and across. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line around and down towards the middle. And then on the back here, we're going to curve this back down towards the bottom. Now on the left-hand side, arching this further across towards the right, and then stepping up. Let's replicate that one more time. On the back, let's curve this over, and then starting on the middle here, we're going to curve this line through on the top. Now we're going to draw in a straight line coming across, curving that, bringing that up and back over. And then we're going to move down and replicate that again, bringing that down, around, and through towards the center. Again, on the top, let's arch this line over. Now let's move behind and draw in the left leg. So we're going to draw in two more diagonal lines coming out. From that point on the top, let's curve this around and in on the back. For the back of the shoe, we're going to curve this down towards the top of our right foot. On the top left, arching this up and down. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this all the way over and across, ending this at roughly the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to curve this over and then arching that back in. We're going to replicate that shape as we move up. On the back now, we're going to curve this over, and then on the top, arching this back over towards the top. Now for the laces, we're going to start in the middle, curving this out, around, and through. And we'll start again on the bottom, bringing this out and back in towards the center. Again on the top, let's curve this across. And that is it. That's how you draw Frigo Camello from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.